Hi everyone, here is the two boards I need to exchange. I installed 2 months ago these boards, and now um, we have some damages. You see the white spots, and I explain you what I'm doing. So first of all, before I start cutting these boards and removing, I set up Rockwell VersaCAD tools. This is my lovely tool because it's one saw from many of what we have on the market. Very good collected dust. Before start cutting these boards, I set up depths on this saw. It should be exactly the thickness of this material. So this material, it's 5/8 thickness. So, and also we have glue on the bottom. So I don't want to cut any concrete, any wood subfloor. In this house we have radiant heat flooring, and sometimes pipes float up if it's not holded properly when they put concrete over the radiant heat pipes. So that's why I'm just trying to don't make any damages, subfloor damages, because it will be big problem if I cut some pipes, radiant heat pipes. So I made around these two boards frame with masking tape, and this tape I put a little bit in, like 1/8 in. Why I did it? Because when I put tape, I see the border, I see exactly where the boards finished. So I don't want to, when I cut these boards, I don't want to cut another boards. If you cut another boards, you have to remove that boards also. So you see, I made so many cuts, and then I use pull bar to remove these small pieces. This is the easiest way. When you're making so many cuts, just removing. So some guys ask me, why you making so many cuts? You just put few and remove big pieces. You know what? If you doing repair the floating floor, it's fit for you, because you cut with big pieces and remove it. But glue down floor, it's glued very solid. If you just cut on the big pieces, it's hard to remove, and you can damage the boards, near damaged boards. So better make it slower and make it this job properly, so make so many damages. So also I'm using feint tools when I remove all the little pieces. I'm removing glue with feint tools. There is a flat attachment what I'm using for removing the glue. Then I'm vacuum this place, checking all grooves, is it clear or not. Now you see it's ready for installation. Then I using again Rockwell VersaCAD and cut bottom from the groove from one side and another side, both pieces. Why? Because it should be overlap tongue previous boards. Okay, so I put one board in. So for me it was easy, because I opened just new box and take the same pieces, and then have to use any table saw, any miter saw. Just slide the board in. You see, very easy. I always recommend customers keep one or two boxes for the future. If you have any damages, we can fix this floor. If you have same materials, color will be the same, dimension will be the same, So, and after repairs you can see any difference. And then I put glue on the tongue and put second board in and slightly put it in to the place. You see? Very easy. For sure you need some experience. But if you not rush and do it properly, you will get very good result. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you next video.